probably say Vans. What I really want is like the Gucci satchel to match with some Gucci sneakers. It doesn't really matter, but I just feel like people should be them. That's really it. I feel like OG style, like some overalls, a shirt under it, some Timbs, and most likely a chain. My phone. I'm still grooming. I gotta look right for like certain people, so even just going out in public, like I don't want to be like up close to somebody and they like be smelling me and I don't smell right. I feel like all 3 social media handles are the same. It's just like too much. Like you got Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, Tumblr. It's a lot.